Hi, my name is Philipp Kristian, and I deal a lot with the trust revolution, which is basically how innovation in digital is actually transforming the way we behave in trust and also how we conduct our social and economic lives. If you think about the beauty of being able to actually take out a large portion of admin work or even paperwork in some cases by automating some of the so-called trust building that happens between individuals and companies, there's obviously huge potential. There is a great example of flight delay insurance, which is basically that you type in your flight number, then the sort of product is connected to a global flight delay database. Whenever there's an actual flight delay, the product automatically pays out a compensation. So this is a form of insurance where you can automate the entire process essentially that usually is manual or at least happening in a centralized fashion. Challenges of blockchain would be that at least the Bitcoin blockchain currently requires a lot of energy to process transactions, and also the scalability in terms of how many transactions can be done in a given second is limited. Both of these issues are being addressed at the moment, so the technology is constantly evolving, but I guess the challenge is also that it is evolving so fast, and that any investment into it or even putting your core business infrastructure on it means that you will A, have to evolve very quickly, and B, you'll also have to face the fact that you're actually not, if you're running on a public blockchain, you're not controlling any infrastructure. And for the blockchain community, that's a benefit. But for a lot of traditional IT thinking, it's obviously very difficult. But also there's a solution. There are so-called private blockchains, and private blockchains can be run on private infrastructure. But there is a difference and a certain trade-off that you make because the benefit of the blockchain of being somewhat immutable and being decentralized is obviously no longer fully intact when you actually manage the infrastructure that processes the transactions. So the main benefits of blockchain are being able to make trust building possible without a centralized intermediary. And if you look at the big transactions, the high value things, from trade finance to buying a house to renting a flat, all those things cost us a lot of money. So when blockchain can come and actually turn these very high value intermediation tasks into something that's a lot cheaper and leaner and faster, that's obviously a brilliant thing.